We did this gel run at 45 volts, and about an hour and a half later, we have a pretty nice wave front. So I think I'm going to pull this out and begin doing the dye to reveal the pattern. Very good. This is for the 10 o'clock GB1 on 715. All right, I am going to stain this with the mini kit stain that I have. I'm not going to use the traditional black light because I didn't use the same sample. I used that mini gel kit. I notice that the gel just slides off, so I'm putting it in this plastic tray in the sink, or let's say beside the sink, and then I'm going to stain it here and rinse it. We'll see what happens. I am using the Carolina blue stain on this gel, and I'm going to stain and wash several times, and we'll see what kind of results we get on this gel run. Suspect 2 has an extra band. Here's the evidence. There's a band over here of suspect 1 which appears to match the evidence, but because the dye is in this edge area, it's obstructing the view. So the next time we run this, we're going to run suspect 1 on the second well, then evidence 2, and then the victim, and hopefully we'll get everything positioned better. Doing a little bit of troubleshooting here. So to do this run over again, I would put suspect 1 on the second well and start there, and then I would also run for a little bit longer to get more separation with the banding.